welcome back to my vlog. So it's super rainy and I was getting bored just sitting at the house, so I figured, there's cars watching me as I drive by, I figured I would get out and find something to do. So I messaged my sister and she said that she would go eat some dinner with me and go to Walmart and see what we can find to do. So I'm headed to her house now. I just got gas, as you've seen. This weather is freaking insane. 46 degrees in Oklahoma. 46. I thought it was supposed to be getting warmer, but guess not. Anyways, I'll show y'all what I get from Walmart. Sister's new whip. So freaking nice. I love it. Anyways, we're here. I'm gonna tell her to come out now. So here's my little Walmart haul for y'all. So I got Peanut will not eat dry dog food anymore. So I got him this pedigree little pouches because he loves the cans. But I didn't want to buy a bunch of cans, so I just got the pouches. And then, oh, I'm out of breath. I found my favorite dry shampoo. I needed some more. But I found this rose gold. I don't know why I don't have a lid, but it was the only one they had, so I got that one. And then, y'all, can we just talk about this? This is the only can I could find in my town. The only can. That's scary. Anyways, I decided I was gonna make some jewelry. So I got several different pieces. Got some ribbon, tissue paper to wrap them in, a little kit, and then I found these cute little boxes to put them in. So maybe I can sell them. Hopefully, that's the plan. And then I found this cute little divider, and it has the little plastic pieces so you can make the spaces smaller or wider. So that is all I got from Walmart. And now I'm going to find a movie on Netflix and make some jewelry. Okay, y'all, so it's the next night. It's actually 8:08. And I'm not showing my face because, for one, it's dark, and for two, I look like total crap because I've not felt good all day. The baby's just like not been in a comfortable position, and excuse me, I don't know, it's just, I just been like feeling like blah today, like no energy or whatever. But I have to run into town and put some money on my card, so I figured I would film a little bit more. And I'm going to probably stop at Brahms. If you're from Oklahoma, you know that Brahms ice cream is amazing. So I think I'm gonna stop and get an ice cream and just kind of chill out tonight. Lakeland's with her dad for the week, and I seriously just like don't know what to do with myself. Like, I miss her so bad. This is the longest I've ever been away from her, and it's driving me insane. But anyways, I'm headed into town. I kind of like haven't been wanting to go into town because there's like a, how do you even say it? Like, all the schools around here are canceled until, like, all the schools in Oklahoma are canceled until April 6th. And they declared, man, I'm tired, I guess. They declared a statewide emergency, I guess is what they call it. So, it's, like, kind of scary. Because if I get sick, there's not really anything I can do because I'm pregnant, so I'm just trying to stay home, away from germs and a bunch of people at once. So, but anyways, I'm going to go in town, get me some ice cream, go to Walgreens, think that's it. Oh, I gotta go to Sonic and get my mom some ice because she's addicted to ice. Which, I don't know why every time I'm pregnant, I get so addicted to eating just plain ice. And no, my iron is not low. It's a little bit lower this pregnancy than it was with Lakeland, but I've had it checked and it's not low. Because I know a lot of people are like, if you eat ice, your iron is low. But don't worry, I've had everything checked. It's not low, but I just love Sonic ice. Like, it's so good. So, if you know the hype over that, then you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, holy cow, there's a bunch of trash in the middle of the road. Anyways, I figured I'll just take y'all along, so.
Alright, ma'am, I didn't realize before I bring that up, we're no longer be able to sell bags of rice up tomorrow. We're running really low on ice.
Okay, can I just get a cup of ice then?
Yeah, we do that.
Alright, thank you.
I'm so sorry about that.
That's fine. So I don't know if you guys heard that, but Sonic cannot sell ice till tomorrow because they're almost low. I guess everybody has been getting ice and drinks a lot lately, so. But I did manage to talk the guy into giving me a cup of ice, so that's good because I was like really craving some ice. But I was gonna go to Brahms, and now I don't think I'm going to because I'm having some issues with my card. I don't know what the deal is, but it's just being annoying. I don't want to deal with it tonight, so. Anyways, I'm just gonna head home, watch some TV, and relax. So I will try and edit this vlog tonight while I'm just having some me time and get something up for you guys. So anyways, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.